Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair. It's pretty short, but I can now put it in a bun, which is really good. So yeah, so my hair is freshly washed. I literally just deep condition it, so it's really good. It feels nice and fresh. Yeah. So I'm just going to blow dry it, and before blow drying it, I like to make sure my hair actually stays nice and moisturized. So I like to make sure I put in like a leave-in conditioner. This is like literally my leave-in conditioner for like everything, for like, because it just, sometimes I even use it as a conditioner to just rinse my hair off. So yeah, my scalp is a bit itchy. So I got my blow dryer. I'm just gonna use my brush. So it's feeling just a bit, like the tips are feeling a bit dry, so I'm just going in with the leave-in conditioner and just putting it at the tip just to make sure it's not too dry. I'm just gonna go in with this brush and try and wash it down. I think I'm gonna have a line in the middle. So I'm gonna give it a line in the middle. I've got a head tie. So then I'm gonna get some got to be glue, and I'm just gonna spray it all over my head. So then I get the hairdryer. So before I completely slick it down, I'm gonna put on the because so this is the hair I'm using right here. I've got a rubber band through it. This is a crochet hair that I've just gotten. It's pretty much the same texture as my hair, hence why I don't want to completely like slick it down. So I'm gonna grab these and then I get the little bun. And then I grab the hair. And then I divide it into two. Grab one. Then I grab the next one and I do it the other way. Like that. And then I grab some bobby pins. Make sure I put it right there. And then again, I'll do the same to the other side. I get some more got to good glue. I lost my toothbrush, so now I can't even do my edges, but that's pretty much how I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna do anything else with it. I'm leaving it as it is. But yeah, this is the final product. I made sure it's still a bit textured so it matches like the hair, so it's not completely slicked down. But yeah, I guess that's it. That's how I pretty much do my hair, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.